So anytime, in fact, every single time this has happened, every time I've made this and I've had people over for a barbecue or a kind of buffet type thing, I make this egg and potato salad, and it's always the biggest hit. It's the thing that people always ask me about. It's probably not the healthiest thing. There's loads of different cheese in there, mayonnaise. It's absolutely delicious. But yeah, that's always a winner every time I make it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 8 hard-boiled eggs there and 4 or 5 cups of cooked potatoes. I peeled them, cooked them in some salted water. Let's move on and make this super cheesy dressing. So we have 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of cream cheese, like a Philadelphia cheese, 1 cup of parmesan cheese, half a cup onion, half a cup parsley or some other fresh herb that you might want, a teaspoon of black pepper, a couple of teaspoons of garlic. We're going to give that a little mix. So a mixing bowl, cup of mayo, in that goes, half a cup onion. I'm using red onion, but if you wanted something more mild, you could go for like a kind of green onion or something. Half a cup cilantro or fresh herb, black pepper, little bit of garlic, 1 cup parmesan cheese, 1 cup cream cheese, like a Philadelphia type cheese. In we go. So, potatoes and eggs chopped. We're now going to get our incredibly creamy mixture here. And we're going to fold that in. We're still not finished, by the way. There's more cheese to come. Now, if you want job done, that's fine, but I'm going to go for some more cheese. I've got a Wensleydale here. We've got cranberries in there as well. So I'm just going to chop that up, break it up and get it in as well. And that's job done. Just going to finish that off with a little bit of sweet paprika. This is always a massive hit. Every time I do a dinner party, a barbecue or something, if I make this, everything else gets overshadowed. People always asking me, what is that? Well, how you doing? You're going to make a potato and tuna salad today. Really simple, really delicious. You can kind of play around and adapt it how you like, but that is really good. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got 3 cups of potatoes here, cut nice and small, you know, peeled them, cooked them away with a little bit of salt, you know, like I say, nice and tiny. 2 cups of cucumber, 2 cups of bell peppers, half a cup of onion, about a cup of tuna from a can, 1 cup there of dill. Dill's a big flavor in here. That's the zest grated off of a large lemon. And then here we've got olive oil and lemon juice. It's about 3 tablespoons of each. Little bit of salt and pepper, quick mix, job done. Okay, mixing bowl, all goes in. So the potatoes are in, cucumber, again, all cut nice and small. If you want, get some pickles in here if you want. Bell peppers, lovely bit of color. Onion. I like the kind of harshness of a red onion. It's quite kind of harsh. I like it in there. The canned tuna. The little bit of zest. Beautiful that is. A large amount of dill. If you're not a dill lover, switch this to maybe parsley or something like that. Salt, black pepper, going to be quite generous with the black pepper, the olive oil, try and use a nice quality one. This is an absolutely beautiful olive oil from Syria, it's really delicious. Lemon juice, like I said, about 3 tablespoons each. We're going to grab a spoon, we're going to give it a mix. Think about other things, you might want to get some anchovies in there, some olives or something like that, you know. Little mix, job done. Okay, told you it wasn't going to be long today. That's a beautiful salad. Think about other things in there like hard-boiled eggs and things like that. Adapt it how you like. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon. Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make a really simple lentil salad today. Nothing to it. Not going to keep you long at all. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So really nice simple salad, this one. So let's take a look here. We've got lentils here. These are a brown lentil. They're actually considered to be a red lentil in a way, like a dark red lentil, but let's call them brown, shall we? 3 cups there that I've cooked. What I've done is I soaked them for a couple of hours and I boiled them for like 20 minutes. I didn't add salt, but if you want, you can add salt. And then I'm going to go with like a cup of tomatoes, cucumber, parsley, and green onions. You can change that. I mean, you can see the tomatoes and the cucumber slightly more, but let's just roughly say a cup, shall we? You can adjust it. There's the juice of 1 lemon there and the zest. I grated the zest off. And there's about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Bit of salt and pepper and a tiny amount of cumin powder. Little mix, job done, beautiful. So you can see I've got a mixing bowl here and I've got the lentils, the tomato and the cucumber in. Let's get the chopped parsley, or you could use coriander if you want, the green onions, and I'm just using green onions, but if you wanted you could put some like raw red or white onion in there, the lemon juice and the zest and the olive oil. Maybe a little touch of garlic could be good in this. I'm going to opt out of that today, but you could put a bit in. A little bit of salt. Some black pepper to taste, you know, just a little sprinkle here and there. And then a little bit of cumin powder. Now, really a small amount. Half a teaspoon, 1/4 of a teaspoon. You don't want too much in there, otherwise it will taste powdery, you know. Little mix and we've done it. And there we go, really simple. Play around with the amounts of the ingredients. You might want to put some other ingredients in if you want, like a bit of fresh chili or some chopped olives or something like that. I love that, simple. So I'm calling this luxury, deluxe, 5-star. We're making a potato salad today, a no-mayo potato salad. It is really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So before we look at our actual spuds or potatoes, we're going to look at what else we're going to put in there. So each one of these is a cup. So I've got a cup of grated carrots, bell peppers, tomato, green onions, and cucumbers. Of course, you could be adding something else if you want. Half a cup of olive oil and a 1/4 cup of vinegar or lemon juice. Now, if you're going to use vinegar for a salad, I don't recommend using like a really harsh, horrible, straight white vinegar. You could use something like a date vinegar, an apple vinegar, a balsamic. This is actually a sugarcane vinegar, so it's not like super horrible. Do you know what I mean? It's really nice. And with olive oil, try and always buy the best you can. There's a lot of kind of funny old stuff on the market at the moment, I've noticed. Anyway, that's what we're going to be adding, plus a bit of salt and pepper. Let's have a look at our potatoes. And there's our potatoes. I've just boiled those. You can see they're still steaming. Peeled them, cut them into kind of that size, as you can see. Cut them bigger or smaller if you want. A little bit of salt, so they're just nice and tender. I'm going to let them cool down a little bit. Okay, so large mixing bowl. There's the potatoes. Let's start adding. We've got a cup here of a carrot, a cup of tomato, a cup of cucumber, a cup of green onions, a cup of bell peppers, and like I say, you can add anything else that you want. We're then going to go with a 1/4 cup of the vinegar, the sugarcane vinegar that is, it's quite nice, and then half a cup of olive oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And then there's just 2 more things I'd like to add that I didn't show you. So here I've got a tablespoon or so of fresh mint and parsley, or any other fresh herb that you might want to stick in there. Right, I'm going to give that a mix. I'll be back in a moment. And that is an absolute winner. Beautiful. Really love that one. And there you go. So easy, beautiful, no mayo, deluxe. I'm calling it deluxe or luxury. How about that? Potato salad. I really enjoy that. Stick that on the table at a buffet or something like that, or a barbecue. That's going to go down really well, I tell you. Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this salad. It's a chicken potato salad. It's got a nice lemony garlic mayonnaise on it, which we're just going to make very easily. Great for a barbecue or a party, whatever you like. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, nice and easy. So here we go. I've got some cooked chicken here. I've got 3 cups of cooked chicken. I just boiled that chicken with some spices. Here I've got 3 cups of potatoes. I boiled those, I peeled those, and then I boiled them. And then I've got cucumber, about the same amount. In that goes. Cut nice and small. 2 cups of green onions. 2 cups of white onion. And 2 cups of cooked red beans, red kidney beans. Now that's what I'm adding in. If you want, get some other stuff in there, tomato, celery, carrot, up to you. Let's give that a little mix first. So I'll make a really simple dressing. In there I've got 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're going to add a little bit of salt. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper. We're going to add some lemon juice here. I've got about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and some olive oil. Try and use a nice decent quality olive oil. There's about 3 tablespoons there. Here I've got 2 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. Some sweet paprika, about half a teaspoon. And then we're going to give that a mix. And then we're back with our salad. There's our beautiful lemony mayo. We're going to get that all in. And again, we're going to give that one more little mix around. Beautiful. And that's it, job done. Now what else could we have added? Maybe some hard-boiled eggs chopped in there. Some sweet corn or some other sort of vegetables, maybe some hot sauce, play around with it, maybe get some cheese in there, a bit of grated cheese or some parmesan or something, up to you. But that's it, a beautiful, easy, nice party salad, or great with a barbecue. Hello, I'm not going to keep you long at all today. We're going to make this really simple pasta salad. Pasta, mozzarella salad. You can bung what else you want in it to kind of bulk it out. Really simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, here we go. So I've got 3 cups of pasta cooked. You can use any type you want, of course. That's fusilli. 2 cups here, maybe just over, of mozzarella. This isn't a kind of, the nice mozzarella that comes in a bag in water, not the block stuff, more, for salads. A cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons flat leaf parsley. If you want fresh basil, it would also be nice in this. 1 clove of garlic, 1 cup of bell peppers, 1 cup of tomato, 1 cup green onions, and a teaspoon of oregano dried. Now, of course, you could be adding anything else into this you want, celery, mushrooms, just bulk it out with however you want. This is just what I'm using today. Very simply, in a bowl, mix, done. So I've got myself a mixing bowl there, and I've got the 2 stars of the show in there, the mozzarella and the pasta. Let's add that little tiny bit of garlic. Dried oregano in there. Parmesan cheese. Try and use fresh parmesan. Don't use that horrible stuff in packets. It's disgusting. Parsley, chopped, or basil. Bell peppers. Now think about cucumbers in here. Get some olives in there. Bulk it out how you want. Tomato mozzarella, obviously. beautiful together. I've got some green onions here, or spring onions, or scallions, whatever you call them. I like them in this salad. If you want, you could use, you know, a regular onion, but I find it a bit harsh. I'm going to go with a nice couple of big pinches of black pepper. If you want, add some salt, but for me, the mayo is salty enough, so I'm just going to stick with that. So 1 cup in there, and then we're going to give it a big old mix up. Job done. Delicious. There you go, simple as can be, really, really beautiful. Mozzarella, pasta salad. How you doing? Quick salad today. We're gonna make this potato and beetroot salad, but what gives it its big flavor is some pickles and some pickled onions in there. Really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 2 cups of cooked potatoes, cut nice and small, 2 cups of beetroot, again, cut into that shape. Cut it how you want, entirely up to you. 1 cup of green peas, half a cup of pickled onions, half a cup of gherkins, which I've cut into small pieces, and there's about half a cup there of green onions. We're going to give that a little mix, then we're going to make a little dressing. Mixing bowl with the potatoes and the beets in, so we're just going to add that half cup of green onions, the 1 cup of green garden peas. They were a frozen pea, just kind of boiled them up and let them cool down. Half cup of the pickled onions, which is fabulous in this. This and the gherkin I think is really good, and half a cup there. You can adjust this as much as you like. Let me give that a little mix. Very simple little dressing we're going to make with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil. 1/4 cup of vinegar. Now if you wanted, you could have used the vinegar that the pickled onions were in. Salt and black pepper. A little bit of garlic, like half a teaspoon there of garlic. A little bit of cilantro, or some other herb that you might want. And then simple mix. Really, really simple, delicious little dressing that is. And then very simply, over that goes. One more mix. Job done, ready to potato salad on the go today. I'm really not going to keep you long. It's very, very easy. Potatoes, mint, lemon, delicious. So I've got here 3 cups of potatoes, peeled and cut nice and small. 2 cups cucumber, 2 cups bell pepper, 1 cup fresh mint, 1 cup chopped parsley, just under a cup there of green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. There I've got the zest, or the skin, grated off of the lemon, and then equal parts olive oil and lemon juice. There's about 3 tablespoons of each. Bit of salt and pepper, quick mix. So mixing bowls there, you can see the potatoes are in there. Cucumber, I mean, you can see that I've cut all of this really small. You don't have to, you can cut it however you want. Green onions, scallions, whatever you call those. The bell peppers, nice bit of colour in there. The fresh mint. Now, look, I didn't chop the mint because when you chop mint, it blackens very, very quickly. So I'll just put it in with the leaves. The parsley, flat leaf parsley, in that goes. The zest of the lemon. Salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil, and this is a really beautiful olive oil I've got. It's from Syria. Really, really tasty. You can drink that stuff. And lemon juice. We're just going to give it a mix. Job done. And that's it. Told you it wasn't going to take long today. Beautiful, easy, delicious, zesty potato salad.